Hi guys, hi, welcome to another episode. So in today's episode, I'm going to guide mainly Form 4 students who if you're taking AdMaths this year and we have final exam coming up, which is by end of October, some of you early November, some of you end of November. So if you are taking AdMaths and you still feel that you didn't give your best for these previous exams, like you still got not the marks that you expected, let's try to apply some of these tips that I have, and let's help you to push to that highest mark that you desire to achieve. All right, so if this is the first time you're watching my channel, my video, I hope you subscribe. You can leave a comment that if you find this useful. Don't forget to like and share this with a friend so that they can also benefit from this. So let's get straight into the tips. Okay, so let's go into tip number one. Now remember, tips are actually to help you shorten your experience towards success, meaning that you don't have to go through like weird ways of studying and really trying your hard. Sometimes there's smarter ways to make sure that you get the marks that you want, but just sometimes you might not know it. So that's why you need someone like a coach or a teacher, a guide, to help you actually avoid all the mistakes. So just like whenever you get a tip, if you feel that these tips resonate with you, like oh, okay, I can do this, then go ahead and implement it without asking any question, because it works. All right, so the first tip that I'll suggest, the very first tip, it's like the top. Okay, like I have 5 tips today, but the top is wake up early and do your maths. All right, wake up early, study your AdMaths every morning. Just set a time aside, like 4:30 to 5:30, or maybe it's 5 to 5:30, 30 minutes every single day in the morning, even Saturday, Sunday included. Why I'm including Saturday, Sunday is because like we only have about one more month or maybe a few more weeks before our final exam. And now is the time to just push a little bit, just 30 minutes a day in the morning. Now morning is very effective, no matter you want to study even AdMaths or any other subject, but maths, it's really proven. Because for me personally, when I was a student as well, I have implemented this and it tremendously brought my results to like an A level, because I was not an A student. If you want to know that story of mine, I can post a link here somewhere, okay, how I got 11 A's in SPM. But the story here is that the main point is wake up early and study. Just wake up, don't even question or don't even give excuses that it's going to be hard, because you guys, the moment you start implementing waking up early during Form 4, it's going to be easier for you when you're in Form 5, because Form 5 is going to be a lot more, right? Okay, so that's first tip. Now second tip is make your own notes for AdMaths. All right, because AdMaths, people think you just exercise, do revision and stuff like that, but what kind of notes that you can make is, this is my suggestion. If you find that you are already doing your own notes, that is very good. It's very good, keep up with that. But what you can do is you can take piece of paper, okay, you can fold the piece of paper into half. Okay, so the half that I mean here is like folding it this way. Okay, you fold the paper this way, so that what are the notes that you're going to write is, number one, you can copy down past year SPM questions in your notes. For example, let's say chapter 1 functions, write down all the difficult type of question that you feel that you have seen in books, and write down the step-by-step answers. Now when you do back your revision for exams, just focus on looking at the type of question that has actually already come out, because nevertheless, most of the questions that comes, stuffs like that, most of the question that comes always will be related to something that has come in the past. So we can always take the tips and the tricks how to answer. Of course, question is not going to come exactly like that, but it will be a very big boost, and you will have the confidence, okay, I have seen this type of question before. So it will really be helpful for you guys, especially if you're Form 4. Start now, guys, right? Just start now. Third one, memorize your formula. Now, don't even question teacher. The formula will be given in exam, but remember, not all formula is given in exam. The formula will be given in exam, so why do I need to memorize? Like, you don't even have to question that, because this is a tip, right? When you're given a tip like for me, okay, when a person who's successful is giving me a tip, I'll just take it. All right, so for now, if you ask teacher why memorize number one, it really saves a lot of your time during exam. Like for example, there are different types of questions that you need to use maybe 2-3 different formulas. Now when that thing happen, you actually save your time by not referring to the formula, or by not actually thinking what formula can I use for this. That compresses, like you shorten the time, so you manage to answer more questions during exam. And this is very important. Just memorize the formula, okay? And the fourth one, don't spend too much time on one question. So when you're answering question during final exam, if you feel that you are stuck somewhere, okay, then there's something that makes you not to proceed, just don't get stuck there. Don't spend too much time. Proceed to the ones that you know, because most students sometimes they spend too much time on one, and then apparently the time is up and you were not able to finish all the questions. Because our goal here is to complete all questions, regardless you do 1 line or maybe 2 lines of answers. The goal is to complete all questions. Okay, we want to practice for that. So go back to tip number 1, how to make sure that you're able to do your questions within time. Practice waking up early and do that. Time yourself. All right. And last but not least, okay, have a positive attitude. All right. Never ever give up. And if you feel that you have been down, maths has been a subject that has not been your strong subject, okay, always renew your faith in maths. Okay, renew your faith in yourself. Like the subject is there. Why some students can do, why some students can't do, it's not about whether they learn fast and this person haven't. No, number one, your attitude towards the subject matters a lot. All right, always have a positive attitude. Like never even give up on it. Okay, never give up on it, and always renew your faith, okay, in yourself for the subject. So I hope all these tips actually will help all of you, okay, so that you can actually help to boost your marks. Let's say your marks is somewhere average, okay, just help to boost yourself to above average. So that's all that we want for by end of the year, because we still have 1 more year for Form 5. So all the best guys for your exam, and I hope to see you guys soon in another video. Okay, and I have another good news before we end this video, which is I have started an early morning class, especially for Form 4 students. It's just a 1 month period of class where it starts at 4:30 and ends at 5:30 a.m. So I'm going to do like all the past year questions, and I'm just going to prepare you, help you boost your confidence for the Form 4 end year exam, and it's going to be really like in detail. So if you're interested, you can leave in the comment section below like I'm interested, leave your contact number, or you can directly contact me. I'll be leaving all the details down below. So just it's very limited. I'm only taking like 10 students per class, so get in touch with me to get the details, and I'll see you in my next video. All the best guys. Bye.